if somebody is planning to do this master's course, just like you have done master's in translation from there, from Quebec, so how much, I mean, is there any scholarship involved?
I even got one, but
Mm-hmm.
I was given an offer to enroll for diploma, and here I was getting a degree, and so I chose this. And then I came here, and if you know the French language, you can easily land up getting jobs which can pay you more than the minimum wage, so which can pay your fees plus your rent and your grocery. I mean, if you are living a decent life, not very luxurious, going
Yeah.
outside every day.
So now one question out of curiosity I want to ask. So you ended up doing your master's in translation in Quebec, right?
That's right. Mhm.
So if somebody is planning to do so, whosoever
Mhm.
is looking this podcast, or maybe me myself, I have not done my master's till now,
Okay.
and I am still planning to do it. But
Mhm.
the only area where I was stuck is that currently I cannot leave my full-time job, and I can't enroll myself into 2 years program. So is there any distance program also in this particular field? Maybe if you know.
Uh, Not the one that I was doing,
Yeah.
because already there are less people who are pursuing
Mm-hmm.
this domain, this course, right?
Okay.
So definitely not not at Concordia in translation, but I'm sure there are programs which are there in Sorbonne, I think. But there
No
are
problem.
in France. I'm pretty sure there are.
Okay.
And after
Okay.
COVID, it these programs got flourished. So yeah, there
Hmm.
should be in France. I'm pretty
Okay.
sure.
Yeah.
There are I have some connections who have done DUFLE
Okay.
from distance from France. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Le Mans
those
University.
courses, exactly. That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking of. There was a university. Yeah, yeah. That's right. The malls.
Hmm. Right. And one more thing, Shita. So if somebody is planning to do this kind of master's course, just like you have done master's in translation from there, from Quebec,
Yeah.
so how much, I mean, is there any scholarship involved, or what a person can do to plan it out?
Mm-hmm. That's actually a good question, because of course international students here in Canada have to pay four times um, the fees, right? So
Mm-hmm.
that's actually a lot. Um, I There are no scholarships again in my program, I would say.
Okay.
Not in my university. There are in University of Montreal. I even got one, but
Mm-hmm.
I was given an offer to enroll for diploma, and here I was getting a degree, and so I chose this.
Mm-hmm.
So there are in other universities, but not here in Concordia in this domain. I believe that when you come here, I also just like I used my savings honestly for my first deposit. And then I came here. And if you know the French language, you can easily land up getting jobs which can pay you more than the minimum wage. So which can pay your fees plus your rent and your grocery. I mean, if you are living a decent life, not very luxurious, going
Yeah.
outside every day. So yes, we do have to sacrifice a lot of things. I also did it for 2 years, but again, everything is worth it when you get
Yes.
graduated. And because I mean, this is what people are looking for here, who are
Hmm.
people who are bilingual. We are not even bilingual. We know more than two languages, Indian people, right?
Yes.
English and French. If we know it, that means there is one regional language also that we know.
Correct.
So we always have an edge over other people. So
Hmm.
this is what these people are looking for. And don't worry. I mean, I started when I came here. I also did not know anything about the job market, about how things work. I created my resumes, and I went to institutes and submitted my resumes there. And within a month, I got a job, a teaching job.
Hmm. Okay.
So yes, if this is your domain, you'll get a lot of opportunities. They
Amazing.
are looking for French trainers here in Quebec, definitely.
Hmm. Got it.
right? So,
And
and other
yeah,
option, I feel, of course, there is the one option which is loan, which should be your last option. But
yeah,
yeah, if if it's possible.
got it. So can you give an estimate amount how much that costed you?
In Indian rupees,
Yeah.
it costed me around 35 lakhs for 2 years
Okay.
course, for a
Two
degree
years course
course.
apart
Yeah.
from your
This was just my tuition fees.
stay. Okay, got it. And apart
It was
from
just
that,
my.
rent and your
That's right.
you know,
So I did
expenses.
live with roommates. We have to do all this to save
Yes,
some
to
money.
save some money. Yes. And
Exactly.
while
So
doing your masters, you were also working. So to take out that.
yes, yes,
Hmm.
exactly.
So
That is
initially, how
not
much
easy.
amount you did you invest initially
We have to
before coming
invest.
there?
If you know the process, we always have to submit 1 year fees, right?
Okay,
So, or at least $10,000 we have to submit before coming
got it.
here.
Okay.
So that's what I did. So something really weird happened with me. I was lucky enough that I got my study permit because apart from these $10,000 that we submit to the university, we also have to submit a GIC, which is basically a proof that you also have some money to stay here, right?
Ah,
So
okay,
that the Canadian government knows that you will not be a liability to them, right?
got it. Hmm.
So I did not do that because the whole process was done by myself. I did not hire any agent. So I missed that part. But luckily I got my study permit till date. I don't know how. I just got lucky at it in that
Got it.
thing.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
Amazing. And so if somebody is planning to go there, so they have to
Hmm.
ensure that they check the document. I mean, they do all the research, first of all, what all
True.
things are required. Apart from that, they should also have some amount in their bank accounts to
That's right.
manage their expenses there.
Please, please do not take everything with you. Have some backup, have something in your hand, and emergency funds are really important, I feel.
Hmm.
So yeah, just don't take everything with you. I've seen people who just even sell their things in India, properties,
Hmm.
etc., just to study here, come here, because starting from scratch, you don't know what will happen.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
another country, and you don't know. I mean, I mean, some people can get lucky. For some people, it can be a struggle again there.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I
Exactly.
have seen a
And
lot. I mean,
everyone struggles. Yeah,
absolutely,
everyone struggles.
absolutely,
We don't have
absolutely.
our family here. We don't have anyone. We'll every day come across people,
Yes.
new kind of people, right? So just be aware. You are in a new country, new place. No one is yours.
Mm, yes. Yes. So, you don't have any known person there as of now? I mean, in the region?
In Quebec, no. Of course, I've made friends now, but in Canada, yes, I have my cousin in Ontario and a very good friend, a childhood friend in Ontario as well.
Hmm. Got
But
it.
yeah, no
Got
one in this room. So, yeah.
it. Got it. All right. This must be very important. This discussion would have been very important for those who are looking out to maybe
That's true.
to go ahead with any of this.
Hmm.
All right. Now, can you share some of the challenging part of your French journey till now, professional as well as academic, I would say. Like maybe when you were learning French till C1
Hmm.
level, and after you learned French, and then when you started using French in your career, what were some of the most challenging areas and the way you overcome them?
Hmm. Okay. So when I was learning French at AFD, um, of course, as I told, that every learner has this question in mind, how will I be able to speak fluently? And that
Yes.
lack of confidence. I also had it. Um, but I was, again, some of my teachers were really encouraging.
Huh.
They helped me a lot. They also at AFD, they do speak in French, and like the courses are in French. They don't speak
Yes.
with you in English, right? So which
Huh.
is amazing. In the beginning, we are a bit hesitant, but I believe that after a few times, when we know
Hmm.
that we are not getting answers from our teacher, we have to try. So this
Yes.
is what happened. This helped me a lot overcome my fear. But then again, I used to spend a lot of time in library,
Hmm.
attending workshops. There are a lot
Yeah.
of workshops that Alliance Française organizes, right? So I used to spend a lot of time there. And I don't remember the name of the app, but I used to converse with natives on an application. I don't remember. I
Is that
really
Hello
don't
Talk?
remember the name.
Hello
No,
Talk?
not Hello. No,
I
no, no.
Talk.
So no, it's not that. No, it's basically a free app because
Okay.
the what happens is you talk to a person. For example, I am fluent in English, so I
Yeah.
will help someone who wants to learn English. So I'll talk
Hmm.
to them for half an hour. I get coins for that, and then I can
Hmm.
use those coins to learn whatever language I want, right?
Hmm.
So it's actually a very good platform. I don't remember the name, but maybe I will do some research. I'll get back to you after the
And
podcast.
then
I'll
we,
send
we
you
we
the
can
name.
put that in the description of the video
Yeah,
for somebody who is
that's right.
very
That's
interested.
right. I used to converse a lot with people. Of course, there were people who were not very interested, but then there were some very good trainers, French trainers, who helped me a lot learn new expressions, and I was able to speak with a native. That was something really enriching for me.
Yeah.
Apart from that, to overcome, I just used to motivate myself, watch some YouTube videos, motivation videos. I won't
Yeah.
lie. And I started talking to myself in French. That helped me a lot. And that's what I tell all my students. Start talking to yourself in French. Tell yourself, what did I do the entire day, right? In
Mm-hmm.
French. Talk to yourself in the
Yeah.
mirror. So yeah, don't be afraid. You start talking to yourself. If you don't have anyone else, it's very normal in India. If you don't have anyone else to talk to you in French, just talk
Yeah.
to yourself.
Hmm. Amazing. And what about your professional career?
That's really funny because I learned French for 4.5 years, I think, 4 years, and then I went to France. It was a very nice experience there. I went to France for assistant d'anglais, as
Hmm.
assistant d'anglais, and then it was very nice there, honestly. But when I came here in Quebec, there was a whole different accent. I mean, they were using expressions which I never heard. So I felt like, oh no, this is not working out because we do have Canadian English, which is different
Hmm.
from Indian English,
Yeah.
from British English, right? And we do have Canadian French, which is different from
Yes.
standard French. So yeah, when I came here, that was a big, I would say the biggest challenge for me.
Hmm.
I was so afraid that even after teaching French, I won't lie, even after teaching French, even after being a trainer for so long, I was still having that lack of confidence. I used to stumble while speaking in French because I was so afraid what will people think of me. And then sometimes I used to speak in French and the other person, because they of course they see me and they know that I'm
Yeah.
not French person, right? So they start to speak in English. I mean, from where should I start?
Hmm.
I don't know. So
Yeah.
yeah, this was the biggest challenge when I came here in
Got it.
Quebec.
And how did
Yeah.
you overcome that? Just with time or like something different?
Uh, Again, I had to encourage myself because no one else comes and tell you this thing. And till the time this thing doesn't come from inside, you will not be
Hmm.
able to do it. So
Yeah.
in the beginning, I thought that it will come with time, but it did
Hmm.
not. I had to push myself, push my limits, and this is what I did. So I started speaking in French with people, and when in return I was getting English answers, I was replying in French. That's when they also started replying in French, right? And that's when
Hmm.
I got my confidence, and now it's fine for me.
Got it. So
It's
for how
totally
long
fine.
did
Yeah.
you did this kind of struggle, or till now it is going on?
No, no, till not till now. Now it's pretty fine.
Okay.
Now I feel that uh, uh, I think that it's all about confidence. I also asked myself what was happening at that time because now people
Mm,
do speak with me in French. So
yeah.
I think it is all visible on your face. If you're not
Mm,
confident, then the other
yes.
person will of course think, because this is a land of immigrants, right?
Mm,
Canada.
yeah.
So we have people from different nationalities who are learning French but who are not very comfortable. So sometimes people just want to help you, make you feel comfortable by speaking in French. They don't want to
Yeah.
demotivate you, right?
Yes.
So yeah, I think it's all about your confidence. Just be confident, and even if you are making mistakes, it's fine. They also do that. I can see
Mm,
that now.
right. And even I can share an example for that. Recently, one of the person who is learning with me in E2 level, he went to
Hmm.
Paris. He is in Paris right now. And yesterday he shared a video with me. He went to a coffee shop. He went to a cafe.
Hmm.
There he asked his colleague to just shoot a video, okay, just to
Hmm.
send it to me. And he was like, he started with like bonjour monsieur, vous parlez anglais. It was like
Hmm.
the French native, the
Hmm.
coffee owner. It was like, ah oui monsieur, je parle anglais aussi. Then he was like, okay, so I am promising you next year I'm gonna come during the same time and I'm gonna converse with you in French. It's a promise. So
Wow.
said, okay, give me a high five then. You know. So and now he sent me a video yesterday. He was like, Parth, I have now committed. Now you have to just train me. So it was like, it was like, I mean, that person, I can see that the person who is a French native, he was also trying to motivate him, you know, and
Exactly.
he was also like, yeah, I mean, bravo, bravo, go ahead, Alizi. It was like
Hmm.
that. So I can see he was like, he's now pumped up right now.
Hmm.
The person who's in Paris, he was like, part now I'm pumped up and now I really want to, enroll. I mean, I really want to like go deeper into this language. So
That's right. I
I
mean,
can,
people, why
sure.
wouldn't people help you? I don't get it. Sometimes
Yeah.
people say that French people are really rude. They don't speak
Mm,
to us. I mean, why wouldn't they? I have now lived in France and talked to a lot of people. I was living with a French family, and now I know that no, they are not that rude. They are
yeah.
not like what you think. They actually try to help you.
Hmm.
The lady with whom I was staying in
Yeah.
France, she helped me with my DALF exam. She used to correct my writings,
Ah.
and in Bordeaux, I cleared
Mhm.
my DALF C1.
Okay.
So all thanks to her for my writing section. I scored that well, and apart from that, I when I started talking to youngsters in France, I got to know that it's not that they don't want to talk to you. It's not that they don't like you. It's just that they are afraid of speaking in English. Just like
Hmm.
French is new for you, English is new for them as well. They are not
Yes.
using English in day-to-day life, right? So they
Mhm.
are also getting scared. So it's just the same thing.
Yes. Absolutely. No, it's a big learning, to be honest. I mean, a lot
Hmm.
of people say that French people are a bit rude, or I mean, it's not everyone. We cannot generalize it,
Yeah, not everyone, but yeah,
right?
people do say it. I have heard it
Yeah.
a lot,
Yeah.
many times.
Same.
Yeah.
Same.
But this was not my experience. Definitely not.
Right. Okay.